Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're taking a closer look at the latest release for video assist professionals, ThunderFace 4K Duo from Intercore. ThunderFace is the ultimate output device for QTAKE Pro on Apple Silicon. It offers zero latency processing, advanced metadata support, and more. As the next generation of the popular QOD Plus model, ThunderFace 4K Duo features silent active cooling for smooth operation even with dual 4K P60 setups, SDI connectors providing 8 HD or 2 4K outputs, a single cable for video, audio, and control data transfer, and mounting holes at the bottom. The ThunderFace device comes with all the essential accessories: a data cable, a power cable, and an international adapter. Now, let's move on to setting it up. The ThunderFace setup process is straightforward. First, connect the data cable by plugging one end into the port with the computer icon on ThunderFace and the other into a USB-C port on your Mac. Next, connect the power cable to the ThunderFace port labeled Power. Then plug the other end into the adapter and a power source. The LED light on ThunderFace will turn green when properly connected and locked in with the correct resolution. Mac OS will then recognize ThunderFace as an external monitor. Lastly, launch the QTAKE Pro software on your Mac. Within QTAKE Pro, you can manage ThunderFace settings from the TF and QOD toolbar in the file room. The options allow you to adjust the video format, audio settings, and fan speed. You can also check the serial number, turn on a test pattern, and perform a firmware update. For full specifications, refer to the ThunderFace user guide at intercore.com/manuals. And that's the unboxing and quick setup of the ThunderFace 4K Duo. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.